Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Triple Bollinger Bands Indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Okay, we can see the default settings here. Feel free to modify the settings according to your taste. Okay, you can actually change the period. You can also change the price type. All right, so this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, as you can see, it's like the combination of three Bollinger Bands. You can see the lower bands, three of them, then a single middle band, and you can see the upper bands, three of them. All right, so you will notice that we have three lower bands, a single middle band, and three upper bands. All right, forming the Triple Bollinger Bands. Okay, so just similar to how the traditional Bollinger Bands operate, you will notice that this indicator also helps to identify volatility. When there is volatility in the market, you will notice how the bands would expand. All right, but when volatility reduces, you will see how the bands would contract. Okay, so they respond to market volatility. All right, so another thing is to use this indicator as dynamic support and resistance level. So you'll notice that when the trend is bullish, strongly bullish, you would likely see price get rejected from the lower bands and then start moving between the middle band and the upper bands. All right, and when the trend is clearly bearish, you will notice that the price will get rejected from the upper bands and then start moving between the middle band and the lower bands. All right, but make sure that you always get confirmations before executing any trade, and don't neglect proper risk management. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.